Login failed on Citizens Bank fix. You grab your phone to check your balance on the Citizens Bank app, but instead you're hit with login failed. Frustrating, right? The good news is this problem is almost always easy to fix once you know what's really going on. The first step is to see if Citizens Bank is having a temporary outage. This can happen during maintenance or when their servers are overloaded. You can quickly search Citizens Bank outage or visit their official website. If their system is down, you just have to wait. It usually clears up fast. If the servers are fine, the next suspect is your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. A weak or unstable signal can stop the app from reaching Citizens Bank's secure servers. Next, update your Citizens Bank app. Outdated versions often break after security updates. Open your App Store or Google Play, search for Citizens Bank and tap Update. Still not working? Try clearing your app's cache or reinstalling it. On Android, go to Settings, find the Citizens Bank app and clear cache. On iPhone, just delete and reinstall the app. This refreshes everything cleanly. Then, double-check your login credentials. If you changed your password recently, make sure your phone isn't autofilling an old one. Enter everything manually to be sure. Here's something most users overlook. Make sure your phone's date and time are correct and set to automatic. Citizens Bank's security system relies on synchronized time, and mismatch settings can cause login failures. Also, turn off fiends at blockers or third-party security apps temporarily. These can block the encrypted connection between your device and Citizens Bank servers. Once you've done all this, reopen the app and try logging in again. In most cases, you'll be right back in your account. So next time you get login failed on Citizens Bank, don't stress. It's rarely a big issue, just a small tech hiccup that you can fix in minutes.